Yes, now we can see it. The floor is yours, James.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you very much. So my name is James Wachira. I am the IT specialist at Global Water Partnership, and I'm happy to join you all in this virtual seminar virtually. Very good insight so far from experts in the field. But I'll take a different tangent myself, where I'll be talking about just briefly about how GWP's experience in adoption of artificial intelligence and our ongoing process developing functional strategies to ensure that the use of technology is aligned with business strategy, which then supports GWP's vision of a water secure world. GWP is currently ongoing a transformation, so then this is a well-timed initiative on our end. So we have had various speakers talking about various developments in artificial intelligence and the way they are using this artificial intelligence in various fields. And we have learned also at GWP important lessons on how organizations adopt technology from such tech paradigms as big data, cloud computing, and so on. And the question we had was how should we adopt this new technology so that we're able to do meaningful work? And we quickly realized that other than just it being a technical issue, technology adoption is also cultural. And so for the successful use of technology, end users also need to understand how this technology fits in their workflows or day-to-day. And this is also something that we have seen with other technologies, that they arrive to organization through its users. And this is where shadow IT comes in. And, small projects, internal projects, before then rolling out. So we needed to go further from experimenting with artificial intelligence to embedding it in our strategy, just so that then it promotes or is aligned with the overall transformation that the organization is currently going through. So in the next slide, I talk about how we identified a framework so that when we see disruption and technology emergence around us, as we are seeing now with artificial intelligence, we ought to onboard that in a way that supports the organizational goals and therefore outputs. And we had to seek a suitable framework for this, which serves then as a guidance to the process. So it's not just enough to adopt new technology, and adoption is when an organization takes a decision to implement a new technology. We should also assimilate it, which is then the extent to which an adopted technology is used to and integrated into business processes. Technology assimilation would then involve, routine use of technology in business processes and strategic use of technology to improve business performance. And of course, assimilation and adoption don't happen in isolation. As various speakers have noted, it also comes with building of IT capabilities, which is, very interesting to hear also from various other speakers. We are all learning this technology as it develops or as it evolves, and it's evolving at a rapid speed. So then GWP had to figure out or come up with a framework that then enables or promotes the adoption of artificial intelligence technology. And we thought that doing so in a way that is streamlined helps that support the organizational goals. So adoption, building of capabilities and assimilation ought to be driven by functional strategy, which is this, the proposed IT and AI strategy that then aligns with the business strategy through IT governance. And IT governance, of course, offers high-level control in the organization to ensure that the organization is having initiatives and investments that are aligned to its goals, and as is in GWP's case, the transformation agenda. So how does a functional strategy such as the one we are talking about in IT and AI connect to the overall business strategy, which is guided by the transformation agenda? So we kept this in mind as we have been engaging with our stakeholders. The organization is currently on having a new business or organizational strategy, which is in development, and various stakeholders engagements, input from the governance bodies, which makes then this AI and IT strategy well-timed. And as I mentioned previously, as a functional strategy, it should support the business strategy. And as you can see here in this snapshot, it has 2 focus areas with various initiatives. And all these initiatives then drive or work towards driving the organizational vision forward. And the last point here is important about having sustainable IT practices. And I heard from various speakers earlier that AI should be ethical, transparent, and inclusive. And there is no way to do this without having sustainable IT practices, especially given the high resource usage in an already resource-strained world. So I'm coming to the end of my presentation here, but it's been very important to be in this forum and would like to hear from you as experts and also as colleagues in the field about your experiences of adopting artificial intelligence and other emerging technologies in your organization. And a lot of presentations have been about this. And then challenges or opportunities that technology adoption and strategies can address directly. And in the next slide, then I come to the end of my presentation. And thank you all for your time and attention, and also for inviting us to this important seminar.